Hi children, today we will go with Unit 2 grammar part. The expression it's time plus subject plus V2, and see you will get it in the examination, the question number 25 for 1 mark in paper 1. It's very important, and let us know when we use this expression it's time. See, it's time we can use, or it's high time we can use, or it's quiet time we can use. All this tells us to make the feeling very strong. Now we will see why do we use this expression it's time. See, scheduled time is over. For example, see, usually you wake up at 6:30, but it is 7 o'clock. Now 7 o'clock now. 6:30 am, 7 o'clock am. You did not wake up. So what your mother say? Scheduled time is what? Scheduled time is 6:30. It's already late. So what your mother says? It's high time you woke up. So she says that it's high time. She's giving you or asking you, high time you woke up. See, you did not still wake up. The action is not done. But she wants by this time you should have woken up. So in such way we should use it's high time you woke up. Look at the tense there. Still work has not completed. So that is what? Scheduled time is over. It is already late. See, 7 o'clock, still you didn't wake up. It's already late now. It is used for giving advice. See, such sentences, if you see in the language expressions, you can use it for advice. Better late than never. So at least do it now. That is the expression. It's time. See, it apostrophe s. It is. So it is time. About whom you are talking, and then what work has to be done. It should be in past tense. This is a structure to be used very carefully. So either you can use its time, either you can use high time, or quiet time you can use. Now let us go into the example. It's time Madhu. What is Madhu? Subject. See? Subject. Dash the work. Until now he didn't complete the work. So we are asking him to do it fast, or we are asking him to make it fast, or we are advising him, come on, do it. So how to use as per the structure? It's time plus subject plus what is the verb given in the bracket? Complete. What is the structure? B2. What is the past tense of complete? Completed. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E-D. Completed the work. But actually what's happening? What happened? Work has not yet completed. But we are advising him to complete. By now he should have been completed. That's what we are advising him. So compulsory you should use after its time subject plus B2. It's very important, children. Next, it's high time my father. Here my father is again a subject. Dash me a pen. So you are asking your father to buy one pen, but still he didn't buy. So you are forcing your father, you are telling your father to buy you a pen. So how would you say? It's high time my father dash me a pen. As per the structure, what is V2 of buy? Bought. Bought me a pen. Now again one more. It's quite time Raghu dash to school. Still he didn't go to school. So you wanted him to go to school. So see, it's quite time. Then what is Raghu again? Subject. Immediately after this subject, what verb we should use? Past tense of go is went. Very good. Went to school. So what will be the structure? It's quite time Raghu went to school. So now let us see how the questions appears in the examination in the next. Okay children, now let us see. So this is how you get the question in your examination. They'll give you the situation. They'll ask you to write using its time. See, now let us see the situation. See, you and your friend have spent more time Then he spent daily in the playground. Usually suppose you spent half an hour, you think. Now you might have taken 15 minutes more, you are still in the ground. But you feel it is late and better go home. What do you feel? You wanted to go home. What would you say to your friend? So now it is the structure that you are supposed to tell your friend or advise your friend using its time. Now what are the two things we need here? We need subject and we need the tense. What we are supposed to tell. So to whom we are telling? See, say to your friend. So you are telling to your friend. So you are telling as you. So you will be the subject. Now what verb you are telling? You can read this again. You feel it is late and better go home. So now you wanted to advise him that you should go home. Now have you got what verb to be used? So this both you have to catch hold of in the given expression, children, the given indent, in the given question, children. So it's time. So you are telling to your friend. So how would you address your friend? In the place of subject, what would you write? You write you. What is the verb we have chosen here? Go. So you have to advise him that we have to go home. So it's time. You. What is past tense of, as per the structure, what is the past tense of go? Went. So we are supposed to use went. It's time you went home. That's it. See, it's time, isn't there? Who is the subject? You. Who is you? Your friend. So what is the subject you have used? Go. In which form you have used? V2 form. So in the question you should read it for 2 to 3 times. Find out the subject to whom you are advising and find out what is the verb to be used and use it in the second form of the verb. Now what is the second form of go? Went home. See, it's time you went home. Understood, children? So you have to do it many exercises, many questions. Okay, so that you will get 1 mark in the question number 21 in paper 1. Thank you.